Hey kiddos, Blake, your credit guy here. Anyway, people, this comes up quite a bit. I got served papers by the courts. What do I do? Blah, 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 blah. Now, if you got a collection on your credit report, you need to get that stuff addressed. Do your best to try to get that removed. The longer a collection sits on a credit report, especially ones with the bigger balances, next step of a collection agency is they can start taking more of a legal action than a credit action. It goes that far, makes more of a mess than anything. Now, just because they're taking you to court doesn't mean they have the documentation to back that up. A lot of times they do that because they know you're not going to show up. You don't show up, they automatically win. So if you get a court date from the court, always show up. Because like I said, a lot of times they don't have the documentation. Now, they're getting really fancy or tricky at pretending they're serving you. You'll get a lot of these things in the mail from law firms or this, that, the other. Say you got this amount of time to respond, we're suing you, blah, 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 blah. Now, if it's not from an actual court signed by a judge, all the other stuff is just something to try to light a fire under you to try to pay something. I would never ever just go out and try to pay a collection. You do that, it's not going to remove the collection from the credit report. They're going to report that you did that. It'll be a zero balance paid collection. The best process to go through is audit them. Just kind of like what the judge is going to do. The judge is going to find out, that they have all the, applications, contracts, your signature, all the detailed billing history. Majority of the time they don't have that. That's what we do. We're going to find out if they have that. If they don't have it, they're forced to remove it. We remove it, the balance is gone. But you need to go through all that before you actually get a court date. But if you happen to get a court date, show up. Never ignore it. Hope that helps out. If you got any questions at all about credit repair, real estate, anything of that nature, reach out to us. Love to help you out. Scroll through my videos. More than likely, whatever subject or question you have, I've covered it before. But y'all have a great day. Y'all definitely hang in there. Y'all keep on trucking.